How to make tahini. Preheat the oven to 170°C/340°F. Lay parchment paper across the baking sheet or dish. Rinse the sesame seeds in a fine colander. Shake and drip dry. Note that if you feel the seeds are clean enough, you may skip this step, although, see tips below for a suggestion about reducing phytic acid. Arrange the seeds across the baking sheet. Place in the oven. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent burning. They're ready when they've uniformly turned a light brown. Remove from the oven and let cool completely. Processing the seeds. Set the blades in the food processor. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Tip the lightly browned sesame seeds into the food processor. Pour 1/4 cup of oil into the processor bowl, on top of the seeds. Pulse at full speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Stop pulsing occasionally to push down any stuck grains back into the mixture for processing. Use a spatula. Pour in the remaining oil, if needed. Pulse for at least another 2 to 3 minutes, again taking care to ensure all the seeds are being processed. See tips for note on adding oil and consistency of the tahini. Process the seeds until smooth. This may take up to 10 minutes, so take little breaks if you tire. Storing the tahini. Once the mixture is smooth enough, transfer the tahini to an airtight container. Use the spatula to help shift as much as possible from the processor to the jar. Use and store. The tahini is ready to use immediately. If storing, keep in the refrigerator to reduce the potential for rancidity and use within 3 months. In a cool climate, it may be possible to keep tahini in your pantry. If your kitchen gets hot regularly, prefer the refrigerator for storage.